Namaskara to everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a very old and the most traditional hairstyle, especially in India, which is of braids, which is of late almost missing because most youngsters don't think it is suitable for today's dressing, and it only suitable for saris and salwar suits, and it makes them look all the time very traditional. So it's almost kind of missing, but I'm going to show you certain ways of wearing a braid for your western clothes, be it skirts or pants and any kind of tops like this. So let's begin. So take all the hair by the side. So which side you want is up to you. Like the partition, you can make it this side or this side depending on what suits you. So if you have some fringes in the front, it's great, it look nice. But even if you don't have, leave little bit of a hair in the front. So I have this long fringe, so I'm going to leave this open. You have a very flat forehead here. You need to tease your hair a bit, but if you have pretty thick, you can leave it as it is. This is a basic 3-strand, no rocket science. All of us know how to braid. So you take everything into equal parts, the regular braid. So take this inside. So braid them pretty tight only at the beginning, because anyway you're going to fan them out. So I'll tell you what you need to do. So I've left this front hair a little bit. Take it till the end, because that's what makes it look stylish. Don't put the hair tie here. Take it almost till the end. Hair tie has to be really tight, because we are going to just make it a little messy. While making it messy, the braid should not come out. The braid is ready. Pulling out. So starting from below, one by one, pull all the sides. Please take your time in doing this, because you do not want to spoil the look of it. You just want to make it look bigger and thicker. So you have to do it slowly, couple of times. So even if it comes out a little messy, it's fine, because that's what we want. We don't want a very neat look. So while braiding, make sure that you make it very tight, and then when we fan them out like this, it anyway going to become a little messy. That's it. The braid is ready, and this is how till the end. Now the front part, I like to leave this as it is, one side. If you want, you can curl them, or if you want, you can just leave them as it is. On one side, you can probably tie up very loosely, leaving little bit any short hair as per your comfort, like this. Pull them a little bit if you find it too tight. I'm just adding another pin. You just lift all of this up a bit, so that it looks a little loose. Now the back, like I said, if you have it too flat, just make sure that you pull the hair a little bit, one by one, and then just to make it look a little more messy, put your fingers around, like this. Make all kinds of adjustments wherever it's required. Like I feel it's become a little loose, so I'm going to put a pin here. Hope you're able to see this. So that's it. Our 3-strand side braid is ready, and it's a little messy, and that's how we want it. And on a western top, and I'm wearing a jean below, and it looks extremely stylish and cool. In fact, it looks like as though I have put in a lot of effort to bring out some hairdo, but in reality, you know that I've hardly done anything. So some of the tips: keep everything little loose, adjust it. If at all anything you want to put some small pins, you can put it, but keep it loose. Don't make it a very tight braid, and leave some hair in the front. Lift here by teasing, or if you have thick hair, you don't have to do anything. And here you go. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next week with another braid. Until then, bye.